Hi, this is Joel from Tee Letrik neighborhood. Today we are at Cheras condo, Emerald Hill. We're gonna show you one of our project which our company will cover the lighting design and the smart home system. Let's go. Here we are. So this is one of my favorite lighting setup. If you like something that is very simple and cozy, this is probably the best design I would recommend. So what's the benefit of lighting design? After the consultation with this specific client, we realized that client wants something which is brighter but not too bright until they have pain in the eye, but also require to have options where they can chill and relax under more softer lighting and a more comfortable ambient environment. Well, some people think how complicated it can be leh. Puts lights only ma. I can promise you it's not as easy as you think it is. The question is, how do we do it? We pick a few different type of lights with the right brightness, color temperature, beam angle and suitable location to showcase the light to get the ambient. Every detail is also vary depending on our client's interior design, painting colors and furniture layout. By putting them together in different switches, we created a highly customizable scenes for the user, where they can change their environment whenever they like. I believe most of the people out there know the existence of smart home system, something like turning on off your devices by smartphone or voice command. But still, not everyone seems to know about the truth and the benefit behind smart home system, simply because there's no better way to tell you about it but to show you why. Smart home system is not really about a product only. It's an ecosystem to giving you a different experience. You won't be able to truly understand if you are not in a smart home daily basis. Imagine when you walk in certain area, the lights will open up for you in specific time period. It also shut down for you when there's no one around the area for energy saving. By mixing the light design and smart home for our client, we have created the best experience by taking away the need of clicking tons of switches. Also allow clients to have different ambient according to their need, or by the touch of finger in their smart home or voice command. In Tee Letrik, we have many range of products which allow our client to choose based on their lifestyle and their budget. Also, we integrated smart home devices into your preferred platform such as Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Tmall Genie, Xiaomi and many more. So you don't have to control devices with different apps. We also work together with ID companies, carpenters, renovation workers to make every project works. And sometimes we did even better than client's expectation. So that's all for the home tour today. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.